to give an edge to your knowledge and to give some practical experience, we're going to discuss mitosis in onion root tip. Why we take onion root tip? Because the cells in onion root tip are actively dividing. So you can get to see all the phases of mitosis in a single slide from your lab. So we have two types of slide. We can prepare a fresh temporary slide and we can also get some permanent slides. So this is a view of a permanent slide of onion root tip. When you see it under microscope, you see these type of cells in onion root tip. So in this slide you can point out different phases of the cells, different phases of mitosis in the cells, right? You can get to see interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and you can also see cytokinesis. So to give you some practical experience and to tell you how science works, let us discuss mitosis in onion root tip and let us point out what happens during mitosis in onion root tip. This is a slide of onion root tip. You get to see all the types of cells. They are actively dividing cells. You can see all the phases and we will point out which cell is in which stage of mitosis. So let us see. First stage of mitosis is the prophase stage, and we take this cell. This is showing the prophase stage of mitosis. You can see that nuclear membrane is disintegrated and chromosomes are visible in this stage, prophase stage, and this is, now we can take this cell which is going to show you some late prophase stage. Now chromosomes are more thick and they are starting to coil up, and now so you can see the nuclear membrane and nucleolus are disintegrating, they are disappearing now. And after that prophase stage, which is the next stage in mitosis, the stage is, can you guess? Yes, that is metaphase stage, and we will pick this cell for metaphase stage. You can see during metaphase what happens, the chromatids, they come to arrange at the equator, the central axis of the cell, the equator of the cell. Now see, they are held by spindle fibers. The next stage of it is anaphase. This cell shows you the anaphase stage of mitosis. Now the chromatids have moved apart from each other. Now they are not at the equator, they are at the poles. They are separating and they have reached the poles. This is the anaphase stage of mitosis in which the chromatids are at the poles, at the ends of the cell. After this we have the last stage of mitosis, that is the telophase. You can see this is also called reverse prophase, because now we have complete karyokinesis, the nucleus has divided into two, and after some time you can see the development of this nuclear membrane, the integration of the nuclear membrane, and finally you can see the formation of this cell plate. This formation of cell plate in a plant cell marks the beginning of cytokinesis. Cytokinesis means what? The division of the cytoplasm, and when the cytoplasm divides you get two complete daughter cells, right? So this formation of cell plate has initiated the formation of two complete identical daughter cells. So I think now you have a fair idea about mitosis in onion root tip. So when you are getting some slide and in which you have to identify the phase of mitosis in a particular cell, so you can recognize by focusing it under the microscope by having a correct magnification power, of course, that which stage is the cell going through, whether it is in interphase stage, whether it is in prophase, metaphase, anaphase or telophase, or is it showing cytokinesis by the formation of this cell plate. So this was just to give you some practical experience of how science works.